Necessary paperwork and documentation in response to whatever allegations were contained in the submissions of the respondent. It's quite unfortunate that many of the reasons were flimsy, I must say, because the entire state cannot say they don't know where a man of the caliber of our client where he stays, his place of abode. They picked him from his home. Now they are alleging they don't know. Secondly, the state who undertook to investigate on the documentations that were presented to court. The other time, Mr. Lukwago took plea, alleged that there is a difference between Bulwa Zone and Wakaliga. You can imagine. So there are such individuals that do not take research, do not investigate, do not carry out, and notwithstanding the introduction letter that Mr. Lukwago presented to court, had contacts of the chairperson and the vice chairperson. None of them even intimated in their submissions that you called. You get. So that is the fact of the matter. And but we are before court. We are really before court. We complied and we are very hopeful.
How have you been able to establish these past days, since Wednesday has been in Zira prison? Have you been able to establish the health condition of Lukwago?
Definitely, he's not doing well. His health is deteriorating day by day by the virtue of the fact that he was made to do forceful drills that are contrary to the medical prescription that was recommended after the operation that she took. So his health is deteriorating. But in that regard, if the state is not having that at the back of their mind, that the person they invested in money to be treated abroad, they would see to the effect that he comes back, gets his freedom, goes for treatment, and he recovers very well. If their motive is to try a person who is living, they would see to the effect that he comes back, gets his freedom, goes for treatment, comes and stands trial while he's still alive.
Thank you, Counsel Lawrence Kabuye from Lukwago and Company Advocacy. Let me also turn to some
bailing him out. You see, the matter was nothing around Lukwago, the mayor.